Hey there. In this video, let's understand the usage of launch settings file and why we need it. To go to this launch settings file, just expand this properties folder and there we can see this launch settings.json file. This JSON file is only be used in development and we can use this only in our IDE, that is Visual Studio. We can see there are two profiles created by Visual Studio, one named Kestrel and one more named IIS Express. These namings we can see it in Visual Studio tool button. It has some properties defined in each profile. The first is the command name. Actually, these are the commands will be run by Visual Studio when we run this project. If the command is project, it by defaults run the Kestrel. If the command name is IIS Express, it uses the IIS Express as application server. This line will be used if we run the dotnet commands. Those messages will be seen in terminal. To launch the browser when we run the application, this settings will be used. This is the application URL will be seen when we run this application, and this is the environment variable. We can use this environment variable in project wide or application wide and configure some settings based on this ASP.NET core environment. We'll see this later. We have three values for this: development, staging, and production. For this IIS Express profile, we have some more settings at the top, which says if we can also use Windows authentication for this IIS settings. And for this IIS, it will be using this URL with this random port. When we run this application, I have selected Kestrel as my current profile. I can see it creates this console, I mean the Kestrel server, and I can see it has created this localhost 5250. It is the same URL which we defined in this profile. If we change the launch profile from Kestrel to IIS Express and run it, we can see that Visual Studio make us to use this URL. If I go to that browser which got just popped out, I can see it has used 4507. So this is the main use case of launch settings.file, JSON file, and we never use this file in production application. We need this file only for Visual Studio and in the development environment.